Grüß zurück bei SmackDown vs. Raw. Wir haben jetzt noch 20 Tage bis WrestleMania 25 und wir steigen jetzt in das nächste große Match. Ich weiß zwar nicht mehr, was jetzt genau auf uns zukommt, aber wurscht. Ah ja, ein Einzelmatch gegen Michelle McCool. Okay, warum auch nicht? Mal schauen, was wir dann als nächstes angehen, weil lang dürfte das nicht mehr hin sein. Maximal noch 3 Episoden. Wir spielen aber auf normal noch immer, gell? So.
Mickey James is once again in action, and the Brian Kendrick is nowhere in sight.
Yeah, aren't they supposed to be an item or something?
Na komm, Sterf.
Broke that story a few weeks ago, Ken.
Hui!
Speculated that things might be a little rocky.
Da kommt
Well,
sie
make sure you tell
geflogen.
me when things get real rocky so I can console Mickey. You're in the ropes.
Ja, ja, danke du Schiedsrichter, du Pfeifen.
Momentum.
Oh, what a shot. Oh, the elbow connects.
Na so nicht.
Lateral press, and she kicks out.
Ich huch immer wieder ein bisschen auf die Kommentare, aber weißt du, wie das ist?
Oh, that did it.
A stiff shot with the elbow.
Psa. Oh.
Oh, there it is.
Ja, das hat jetzt was gebracht.
Kick out after one.
Gar nix. Jo,
And there's the monkey flip.
sehr gut. Klar.
Oh, the glamazon Beth
Oh.
Phoenix just can't leave well enough alone.
Where's Kendrick? That one rocked him. Ooh,
Na. Jetzt schnappt er doch die Beth Phoenix, du Trampe. Boah.
timber, and he falls hard.
Au, au. Au, au, au.
And there's the reversal. That was a
So, Mickey, komm her.
what a reversal.
Boah. Du kleine Potsau. Sicher.
Of a woman that shows passion.
Ah, da bin ich. Falsche Seiten. Klar. So, ihr Kruzifix, Alter, was ist denn heute los? Frage. Au! Was sag einmal? Hat die KI über die Nacht geschlafen oder was? Ich war gerade erst. Ne! Kruzifix! Schaut er das an? Die kontert mir aus, die KI, dass ich nicht mehr schauen kann. Was wird das jetzt? Wird das jetzt ein Tag-Team-Match oder was wird das jetzt?
There's a lot of things under the ring, and all of them hurt.
Kruzifix!
Up goes Mickey. Big time mistake there. Big time. Now with a chair.
Alter! Was ist denn heute los, bitte? Schau dir das an. Wieso kontert mir die KI in einer Tour aus? Na gut. Dann greifen wir die Michelle wieder an, hilft ja nichts. Wenn sie Spiel zulässt, heißt's. Ah, jetzt, da geht's. Irgendwas kommt mir bestimmt.
You two girls want to gang up on me? Not while I have a little backup in the form of my good friend, Trish Stratus.
If she's willing to fight by your side, then let's make it official in a tag team match.
Aha, vom Einzelmatch wird jetzt ein Tag Team Match, oder was? Ja, so geht's auch.
This is incredible, Cole.
Gut, jetzt können wir es verprügeln, wie wir wollen. Ich will mal mit ihr spielen, schauen wie sie ist.
What a decapitating lariat. Trish is going up. Again with the elbow.
Oh, clothesline.
So, schauen wir mal, ob wir es vielleicht gegen die Treppe schmeißen können, ha? Nö. Hat nicht funktioniert. Schade. Sicher. Au, das hat jetzt weder... Au, 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 au. Das hat jetzt weder am Anus. Ei.
Lands on with a hard
Sag einmal.
shot. Oh. And there they go again.
Ja, genau.
Oh, talk about getting flattened.
Ich freue mich schon dann auf die...
And that's a stiff kick.
Oh, that elbow's gotta hurt. Oh, what a shot.
A sharp kick. A stiff shot with the elbow.
Platsch.
Woo, a little showboating going on here.
Two. Three. Come on, move it. Four.
Na komm.
And did you hear the impact on that kick?
Natürlich haben wir es gehört. Geil.
Oh, man. One.
Boah.
Three. Come on, move it. Four. She's standing, but she's staggering. Five.
And those steps are made of solid steel. There's no give to them whatsoever.
I'm warning you, keep it up. 8. 9.
Du,
That'll do some damage.
da bin ich.
Kick that was.
Boah, der Kick war jetzt geil. Komm her.
1.
And this one's set to break loose.
Klatsch mal wieder an.
Oh!
The kick connects.
Oh, did she take a shot there?
Ja, richtig.
I never would have guessed Trish would come to help out Mickey.
I guess their animosity is just water. And will this be it?
So.
2, 3.
Jawohl.
Got it.
Jawohl.
What an amazing and unexpected comeback by one of WWE's all-time great divas.
What a match, too, Cole. These 4 ladies gave it their all.
And that's all for us tonight. For Jerry the King Lawler, I'm Michael Cole saying goodnight.
Sehr geil.
Trish, I really appreciate you helping me out tonight. Having you fight beside me got me thinking. Sometimes the people who admire you don't always go about it the right way, but that doesn't mean their heart isn't in the right place. I'm kind of in that place now with Natalya that you were in then with me. I'll try to learn from your example. Thanks.
Jetzt sind wir natürlich wieder um einiges schlauer.
Welcome to Monday Night Raw. Michael Cole along with Jerry the King Lawler coming to you live from Charleston, South Carolina. Tonight, Mickie James defends the Women's Championship against Beth Phoenix.
The Glamazon seems hell-bent on regaining the Women's Championship. But can she stop Mickie James?
That's the million-dollar question, King. We'll find out tonight.
Ach ja. 13 Tage noch.
Hey Mickey, I haven't answered your calls. I've been pretty busy. Sorry I wasn't there for you last week, but at least Trish had your back. You and your girls. Anyway, I promise I'll be there for your big championship match tonight. See you then.
Ja, ja. Bleib du ruhig weg, dann hab ich da mal Ruhe. Dir sag es. So schaut's nämlich aus im Schnitzelhaus rund um die Ecken. Gut. Ich glaub, lang haben wir nicht mehr. Ja. Gehen wir's gleich an. Maximal noch 3 Sendungen oder 3 Episoden, dann sind wir da auch fertig. Und dann werden wir die männlichen machen. Ich würde mal wieder Leitermatches, Ausscheidungskammer-Matches und so weiter und so fort machen. Es ist lustiger.
The irresistible force of Mickie James takes on the immovable object of Beth Phoenix.
You got that right, Michael. There's no way I could resist Mickey.
Aber der Hoppala, der Topi letzte Sendung oder letzten Match, der war geil, der hat mir voll Tag. Ich hoffe, ich krieg das später mal mit einem Undertaker zusammen.
That elbow did some damage.
Hui!
Disorient you. Oh, did she take a shot there?
Ja, genau.
What a clothesline! Oh man, what a shot! Ooh. And
Boah.
she's toast.
Was ist Toast? Wo ist noch Toaster? Ich hätte einen Bock auf einen Toast. Ah. So, guck mal da.
And that can crush your sternum, break all your ribs.
Shit.
Oh mama, look at this.
Earlier today,
Sowas nennt man wohl Schmusekatze. Na gut, warum nicht?
Which is why we're having this title match here tonight.
Well, we've said before that Beth Phoenix is a dominant diva, but with the streak Mickey's been having, I don't know if right now is the best time to square off with the
Ich muss nochmal in die Beschreibung reinschauen, wie manche Bewegungen funktionieren. Ja, der war jetzt beschissen.
Shoulders down.
Ah. Was?
Glamazon did it.
Warum? Was war jetzt?
Mickey, in case you haven't figured it out yet, I'm breaking up with you.
I can't believe what we've just seen. Brian Kendrick heinously betrayed his girlfriend and helped Beth Phoenix regain the women's championship. What's going on here?
Makes no sense to me either, Michael. Mickey's a great catch. Why throw her back?
We're live from Daytona Beach, Florida for Monday Night Raw with Jerry the King Lawler. I'm Michael Cole. Last week, the Brian Kendrick betrayed his girlfriend, Mickie James.
I still can't believe what he did. Cost her the women's championship and broke her heart.
To make matters worse tonight, Mickie will be taking on her good friend, Natalya.
Hi, Mickey. You doing okay?
I've definitely been better.
I know. I've been trying to give you some space. But I can't believe Brian. What a jerk.
It's okay, Natalya. It happens. Thanks for your concern.
That's not the only reason I called, Mickey. Shane wants us to have a #1 contender match tonight. I told him no.
What? Why?
Well, you've been so great to me, and I know you're having a tough time right now. It wouldn't feel right.
That's okay, Natalya. You deserve this opportunity. Let's go out and have a good, tough, and clean match. Win or lose, that should make me feel better.
Na gut. Wenn sie so einverstanden ist, ja, dann bitte. Also, wie gesagt, ich glaube, viel haben wir nicht mehr. So, da. Wenn das schnell geht, ist das heute die letzte Episode. Ja, ich glaube schon. Weil es ist ja nur mal jetzt der Day Raw Ausgabe und dann ist ja schon die WrestleMania. Gut.
I want to win, but Natalya's been so sweet. I should avoid doing finishers or signature moves against her in our match.
Mei. Optionales Ziel, führe keine Finisher oder Signature Moves aus. Das wird mir aber schwer fallen.
Here we go with this #1 contenders match.
That's right. The winner goes on to face the Glamazon at WrestleMania.
The other question mark in this match is, can Mickie focus after that cruel betrayal by the Brian Kendrick?
He's a fighter, Cole. I have a hard time believing that
So.
he'll let him break with us.
Wir haben jetzt zwar keinen Champion-Titel mehr, aber das wird uns auch nicht davon anhalten.
Mickie James in complete control.
Here we go. Irish whip.
Mit wem habe ich denn das letzte Mal den Spear zusammengebracht? Weiß ich nicht mehr.
That's a move that'll disorient you.
Ah! Autsch! Du Pfeifen! Leg dich nieder, wenn ich dir das sag, da.
Oh. Good night.
Gut, night.
Oh. Oh, what a shot.
She's looking to get out of here.
Dankeschön. Das war natürlich... Upsa.
There they go.
So much for a broken heart.
Mickey's letting all that frustration out in the ring. Bam! That one rocked him. Oh, the elbow connects.
swift kick.
Oh,
Zack.
talk about getting flattened. Oh,
Und sie fliegt schon wieder. Dass es sowas gibt.
ow, what an elbow.
Hard impact to the arm.
So, probieren wir es einmal.
Natalia is not done yet.
And there's the monkey flip.
Ja, da dran die Affen wirklich am Radl. Was habe ich denn jetzt gemacht? Boah!
Look at the force behind that leg drop.
Wie hat denn der jetzt geschrien? Wie verhindert er auf?
Oh, that was close, so close.
Gehen wir mal streiten mit dem Schiedsrichter.
Here we go. Irish whip.
Ah!
What a nasty elbow.
Trying a different angle. Ouch.
Ich muss mich so zusammenreißen, dass ich jetzt nicht auf die Y-Tasten drücke. Das kann ich das.
Toast. With a cover now.
1, 2, 3.
Danke.
Mickey defeated her friend, but I don't think that's helped her mood all that much.
Oh, great. Just what Mickey needs. Her ex-boyfriend and her WrestleMania opponent.
Check it out, Mickey. I've traded up. Mickey, you were never good enough for the Brian Kendrick, but I found someone who is. Spending time with you wasn't a total waste of time, though. I know all your moves, and I know all your secrets. And now, so does Beth. You have no chance against her at WrestleMania.
Boy, talk about a jerk.
But Mickey can get her title back on Sunday at WrestleMania. Good night.
Bonus freigeschaltet. Kendrick in Straßenkleidung. Toll. Da war mir lieber gewesen in Undertaker in seiner Badass-Kostümierung. Naja. Ja, Entschuldigung, ich stehe auf dem Undertaker. Ich weiß nicht warum.
Welcome to the grandest stage of them all, WrestleMania. I'm Michael Cole with Jerry the King Lawler, coming to you live from Houston, Texas.
Tonight, the odds are stacked against Mickey James. Not only is she taking on the Glamazon Beth Phoenix, but her ex-boyfriend, Brian Kendrick, has supposedly told Beth all of Mickey's secrets.
The Glamazon may have a mental edge to go along with her physical gifts. It's going to be a tall order for Mickey to regain the title. Let's find out how this match came about. Mickey James did what many thought was impossible. She defeated Beth Phoenix to become women's champion. Mickey stood up for the Divas' respect and was defended by the supposedly chivalrous Brian Kendrick. But Kendrick became jealous when Mickey's friend Natalia interrupted the two of them. His jealousy spurred him to cost Mickey her title, and he buddied up with the new champion Beth Phoenix. Now Beth and Mickey will clash, again with the women's title at stake.
I want you to know I'm pulling for you, Mickey. I know you can beat Beth tonight. You're the rightful women's champion. Go win this thing.
Okay, wir machen heute die letzte Episode. Ich speichere das zur Vorsicht nur einmal. Okay. Und ich hätte gesagt, wir treffen uns dann beim Ring wieder. Jupp, wie, danke.
The following contest is for the WWE Women's Championship. And introducing the challenger, from Richmond, Virginia, Mickie James. And her opponent, accompanied by Brian Kendrick. From Buffalo, New York, she is the WWE Women's Champion, Beth Phoenix, the Glamazon.
Oh boy, look at the gold. This should be an outstanding match.
This is a tough
Kling.
matchup for Mickie, but she's going to have to win if she wants her championship back.
And with the knowledge Steve Brian Kendrick's passed on, it's almost like fighting two people at once.
Wir sind bei WrestleMania. Jetzt hast du ein
Beth
bisschen...
turned back.
Au!
Trademark moves.
Knowledge is power, Michael, and Beth had plenty of power to begin with. And Beth got planted.
Mickie James in complete control.
Sag einmal,
Bam!
schau, was ist denn jetzt los, Alter?
Oh man! What
Da wird er die Bradlfetten hart im Kühlschrank. Was jetzt eigentlich ein kompletter Schwachsinn war, aber scheißegal.
Here we go! Irish whip! Oh!
A swift
Jetzt hat's
Oh,
geklappt.
after that, you're not seeing stars, you're looking at constellations.
Danke. Ja, der hat gesessen, gell? Da schaust du, ja! Du Gurken.
and there's the elbow.
Oh! Mickie hits the DDT.
Yippie! Mit dem DDT!
Oh!
And that's a stiff kick. There's another great kick.
Wie ist denn das gegangen? Kruzifix.
Oh, that did it.
So gehört es auch.
Here they go.
And there's the tap.
Au! Fahrt die Truchen jetzt zur Höchstform auf, oder was? Oh, au! Boah, Drecksau. Sag einmal. Au!
And there's a stiff clothesline.
So.
This is WrestleMania. This is for the women's title. No matter what you think of either of these ladies, they're both incredible competitors.
Jetzt.
That'll cause some damage.
Komm, jetzt steh auf, Dirndl.
She's standing, but she's staggering. Here we go. Irish whip.
Au! Der war jetzt auf die Nasen. Die operierte Nasen im Arsch. Mein Gott, na. Oder?
Here they go.
Spear! Na, mal. Au! Nein!
Whoa, look at this. DDT.
Ja, hab ich mir jetzt auch grad gedacht. Au! Nein!
Flawless belly to belly suplex.
Ah! Autsch!
Oh, wow. And that one hit with the force of a big rig.
And will this be it?
One.
Eins.
Kick out by Beth at one. Oh, dead with the clothesline.
And that's a shot that could drop.
Da müssen wir jetzt halt ein bisschen mit Kraftaktionen kommen. Miki! Mei, du dumme Nudel, wach auf!
Oh, ow. Timber, and he falls hard. Break.
Scheißen! Sagt man das? Nein.
That should do it right
Na
there.
komm.
1, 2, 3.
Ja!
Mickie James won a match.
Mickie James has done it.
Kendrick's advice definitely had an impact on the match, but Mickie overcame it to regain the women's championship. And her good friend Natalya couldn't be happier for her.
And it's already trouble in paradise for the pairing of Kendrick and Phoenix.
What a feel-good ending for Mickie James' road to WrestleMania.
Das war's. Und wir sehen uns das nächste Mal wieder. Bei was genau, weiß ich noch nicht. Das wird's dann eh sehen. Und es geht weiter mit WWE. Also dann, bis zum nächsten Mal. Baba.